Halong Bay, a collection of islands located off the northeastern coast of Vietnam. It's known for its emerald-colored water and these breathtaking limestone pillars that rise up from the sea. One of the best things you can do in Vietnam is book a 2-day, 1-night luxury cruise in this magical place. And that's exactly what my girlfriend and I did. And this video will tell you exactly what you can expect in a cruise on Halong Bay. So we left the center of Hanoi around 9 a.m. to head up to the northern part of Vietnam. The company we went with was called la-regina-grand-cruise. We decided on this one because they offered shuttle services, luxury amenities, and plenty of excursions and activities on board. Hello, people. Today we are embarking on a 2-day cruise in Halong Bay. And we're out here, it's beautiful. It's gonna be exciting. We have a very beautiful room, which I can't wait to show you guys. After we checked in, we made our way to the cruise ship and caught our first glimpse of Halong Bay. Oh, just leave it?
Yeah.
Xin Thank you. Alrighty. So we just got on the boat. It looks very luxury, very nice. When we arrived to the boat, we were greeted with a warm welcome by the staff and some delicious tea. They went over the itinerary, some rules and regulations of the boat, and then we had an amazing lunch. Yum. Lunch is traditional Vietnamese food, buffet style. Mackenzie's happy. I know. So we're gonna head to our room. But we just had an amazing lunch with like the most amazing views. Can you see it? Yeah. The most amazing views. We finally got to our room and it was even better than we both expected. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. This is insane.
This is life. Hello guys, so we are going to do a kayak tour through a cave. Unfortunately, I can't bring my phone or my camera. They're not waterproof. But man, I don't know what to say. I'm low-key at a loss for words. Like, this is maybe the coolest thing I've done. I feel like I say that every time I make a video, but this is really cool. Normally we're budget travelers, but we consider this experience a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This trip was honestly one of the most luxury things that we've ever done. And we were really surprised at how affordable an experience like this can be.
So beautiful. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. If you come to Vietnam, you have to do this.
It's worth it.
You have to do it.
It's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it. I would say in total, like
too. I don't think that's crazy.
It's anywhere from like per person like 200, and you can find even low, like as low as 150 or 140 maybe. But
Yeah, we picked I think one of the nicer ones.
there was a sale.
But I mean, like, you get a nice bedroom, you get a clean bathroom, you get good meals, and you get amazing views.
Next in the itinerary was a swim in the bay.
Let's go. Hey!
Next was dinner, which was a 5-course meal. When the entree was served, they set the scene with some traditional Vietnamese music and dim lights.
Yeah, boo!
Aziz, I have the Mediterranean food for you.
Come on. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
We woke up the next morning at 6 a.m. to join a Tai Chi class. During the class, I couldn't help but feel connected to this masterpiece of nature surrounding me. When traveling, it's easy to get lost in your itineraries and plans, making it harder to look up and truly be there in the present moment.
Good morning, people. It's such a quiet, beautiful morning out here. Just enjoying the sights all around. Like, I don't know, being here really feels like spiritual because all these tall mountains, the water is so calm.
Being such a beautiful place, the bay gets over 10 million visitors per year. As a result, the amount of trash discarded into the bay by tourists was really apparent. I think it's so important to be conscious while traveling, to be mindful of the privilege you have and the footprint you're leaving behind. If you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.